The ImmiAccount is your gateway to accessing Australian visas, citizenship applications, and more, all online. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to create your ImmiAccount. Let's jump right in. To get started, go to Google and type ImmiAccount Australia. Click on the link that says Create Your ImmiAccount. Once on the page, scroll down a bit. You'll see an option for Create an Individual ImmiAccount. Click on Details, then on the blue highlighted text, which will take you to the account creation page. Now, enter your active email address. Click Send Verification Code. Open your email inbox, find the most recent email from homeaffairs.gov.au, and copy the code provided. Return to the ImmiAccount page, paste the code, and click Continue. Enter your first and last name along with your mobile number. Leave the other options as they are, and then click Continue. Here, you have the option to set a custom username. Choose something easy for you to remember. Then, create a strong password with special characters, numbers, and at least one uppercase letter, like Hello Harriet 321, for example. Next, select 3 security questions that will help you recover your account if you forget your password. Choose questions and answers that are easy for you to remember. Scroll down, check the necessary boxes, and click Submit. Congratulations! Your ImmiAccount is now created. Scroll down and click Continue to access your account dashboard. That's it for creating your ImmiAccount. If you found this helpful, don't forget to check out HOLO Education Services, where we make it easier for you to start your journey in Australia with recognized qualifications. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your application.